Social Justice and Equality, NEP 2020. Good morning everyone, my name is Chitransh and this is Chitransh. Today we are here with episode 5 for our series My School, My KV, A Journey of KVian Pride and Purpose. For our topic for today is truly special, inclusive education, an important part for our national education.
Sir, may I ask something?
Yes, you can.
There are a few students in our class who are differently abled. Sometimes they can't keep up with us in activities. I feel maybe there should be a separate school for them.
Chitransh, that's a honest thought, but not right. They are students like us. They deserve the same respect.
But sir, sometimes other students often avoid them. Wouldn't sitting them separately make them feel more comfortable?
No, Chitransh, that's not fair at all. If we allow them in class but sit them separately, that is not inclusion, that's isolation. They are not less capable.
I never thought about it like that.
Let me show you something simple. But when we mix them, they make a bright, happy group. That's inclusion. Learning together, sharing together, and growing together.
Oh, so that's what inclusive education means.
Exactly. It's mean all children learn together in the same class or in the same school.
Sir, what does the NEP 2020 say about this?
The NEP 2020 says education is the single greatest tool to achieve social justice and equality. It says no child with special needs should be denied admission.
That sounds wonderful, sir.
Absolutely. And to make it clear, look at this picture. Exclusion. Can you see? These children are standing outside the circle. Should that ever happen in a school?
No, sir.
Right. Never. Segregation. Here they are studying, but in a separate group. So are they really included?
No, sir.
Right again.
Sir, I got it now. Can I explain?
Yes, you can.
So this is integration. Now they are inside the same circle but still kept to one side. They are there but not a part of the group.
Exactly, Chitransh. Well said.
And sir, this is inclusion. All the children, tall, short, walking or on a wheelchair are together in the same circle. They are learning, playing and growing together.
Absolutely. This is a true spirit of inclusive education.
Yes sir, now it's clear. Inclusion means no one is left behind.